Hello, welcome back to my channel. When I mix my 27-gallon tub for master blend for my hydroponics, you see it always full. Now there's days where it gets to where it's just above the pump, the water line, and you got to refill it. So one of the things I made a long time ago is I took this plastic piece of PVC pipe and I marked it up. And I used these two tools. So I'm going to go through it right now and show you exactly how I do it. So let's get to it. Okay, what I have here is I made a stick. There's a piece of PVC and they're marked in 5-gallon increments. Being a 27-gallon tank, your mixture can get low and you need to refill it, but how much is accurately refilling? My marker over here shows it that it's because I fill this up to 25 gallons on a 27-gallon tank. Take it up to the brim practically. That's why you need a heavy-duty tank, because when it fills with water, it's going to blow out, or it's going to bellow. It's going to push its sides out, so this cover will keep everything intact, and a heavy-duty tub will help do that as well. So anyway, right now I have 10 gallons of mix of master blend all ready to go, but it's right below, or right the pump is right below that. So as soon as it starts up, it's going to suck that down before the pipe can return the water, and this pump is going to be struggling. So we want to have this up to, for me, the 25 gallons. That's why I made this just a piece of scrap PVC at 5-gallon increments, and so I can fill it right back up. And what I did in the beginning of the season is I had the brand new tank. I just poured 5 gallons of water in here, marked it with the PVC, just like that, and then filled 5 gallons more, 5 gallons more, until I got to my 25-gallon line. And that takes it right up to this number right here, which is right below the 2-inch PVC pipe that goes back into the drain. So let me fill it up, and then we'll carry on to the next point. Now I had to add 15 gallons of water on here, so I had to do 30 grams of master blend, 15 grams of Epsom salt, and 30 grams of calcium nitrate. Mixed it all together, and now, since I'm right here with it, I'm going to check my pH. And my pH is coming in at, let it settle out, 6.65. So I'm going to add just a touch of white vinegar. Let's see, I only need to bring it down a little bit. Stir it around. Check it again. And it's 6.31, and anything between 5.5 and 6.5 for our vegetables is perfect. Now, I want to check my total dissolved solids as well to see if I'm in the correct range, because when you're mixing the master blend, if you missed it by a little bit, you could be out of range in your parts per million. So I'll put this guy in there. 800 is the sweet spot for total dissolved solids. It can be between, let me see here, 600 and 1,000. And I'm at 760 for total dissolved solids. And 800 being the sweet spot, we're right in the correct range. So if you found this information useful, give me a like and subscribe. And any comments, questions, the total dissolved meter, total dissolved solids, or the pH meter, let me know. I'll be glad to answer your questions. Thanks for watching.